What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test a night vision camera for the car. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna test a night vision camera. This is the one I have, so let's open it first. Okay guys, these are all the things that comes with the camera. So the first one is the dashboard holder. It's like a mat thing. So this one you put it here inside there and you put the camera here. Okay, so this one is if you want to put the camera on the dashboard, all right, and it comes with a screw to screw it to the camera, and it comes with a screwdriver. It's pretty cool that comes with a screwdriver. Okay, on the next thing, it comes with a suction cup right here to put it on the windshield. Yeah, I think this is the one I'm gonna go for, but I'm not sure. Maybe the dashboard or the windshield. It depends of which one I decide to go for. Okay, and it comes with the OBD connection, cigarette lighter connection. All right, it has the input cables, so you can switch this connection for the cigarette lighter or the OBD connection. And it has a connection for the camera, and if you have like a rear view camera, you can connect it to this one. This one has the option to add a rear view camera. And this is the camera, the night vision camera. Okay, this one is a 1080p, the resolution. It has a lens. I think this lens is a 28mm lens with 1080p resolution. The screen is 8.2 inches with a resolution of 1080p. And what else? The buttons. Let's connect the camera first and test all the buttons. Okay, let's play with the camera. Okay, and right there we can see the camera. You can see the real life and the camera. But it blocks my view a little bit, so I think I'm gonna use the suction cup and put it on the tops. All right, so let me do that first. All right guys, right there you can see the camera. The resolution is very nice, it's very clear. I don't know if you can see it right there. Hard to focus, but the resolution is very nice. So now let's check the buttons. Okay, the first one is to switch the camera. Okay, if you have a rear view camera, you can switch it right here with the first button. All right, the second one is for the settings. You can see it right there. Contrast, brightness, color, rotation, language, reset. Okay, so the second button is the adjustments. All right, the third one, okay, to rotate the camera. You can to rotate the screen. You can rotate the screen like this. So for me, that's the correct view. Okay, the one on the middle is to turn it on and off, but I'm not gonna press that one because I don't want to turn it off. Okay, the next button, the next two buttons after that one, those are arrows for the adjustment. You can go up and down, up and down. All right, and the last one, I think that one is for the night vision because it goes black and white. Okay, so you can turn it black and white with this one. Maybe if it bothers you, the brightness, it bothers you, You can put it black and white, maybe it's not as bright as the color. But also you can adjust the brightness on the settings if it's too bright at night. So now we know all the settings, how to adjust it. So now let's test this thing. I think it's gonna look very nice, but I think it's better to test it at night. All right, so I'm gonna wait a little bit till it get dark and drive this thing. I'm gonna test it on the very dark roads. All right, so let's do that next. Okay guys, it's night already. You can see it right there. It's already dark. That's the outside and that's the camera. Let me show you the difference on the rear view camera. You can see this one, that's the rear view camera, that's so blurry. Look how clear this one it is. Wow, it's very clear. You can see the difference there. This and this. Alright, so let's test it on the road. Okay, before we go to the road, I want to test something first. I want to turn off the light of the headlights so you can see out there. You see? Like this is very dark, and in here is like a daylight. Wow, you can see it there. Still, with the lights I can see a little bit till the tree, and in here you can see the house. But let's turn off the headlights. Let me see. Okay, you see? Dark, nothing. But in here, wow, it's cool. Yeah, this is amazing. This will help a lot of truck drivers to see at night, or even for those that live on the country, like small towns. This is amazing. You can see it. You can see the house, the tree, even the door. And in here, nothing. It's so very dark. Very dark. In this area they are fixing the road, but it's hard to see. But look in the camera. I don't know if you can see it. You can see everything. The whole street. Now it's very fine, but in here it's hard to see. And now, voila, it's like a daylight. I don't know how do they do it, but it's amazing, this technology. You can see that person over there in here, and I cannot even see it. Wow, man, the technology of this thing is amazing. Wow, you can see here night and day. Okay, let's go inside the park. Let's see if I can this park to see something. All right. Okay, this area, you can see the trees. No trees over here. So this is very dark, very dark. Here. All right, this is a good area. So everything is dark. I can barely see a little bit the trees, but here you can see the trees. It gets a little bit noisy because this is dark. You see, dark, nothing. But in here you can see the trees. Let me try something. Let me turn off my headlights. Okay, so now I cannot see anything. In here you can still see the trees, the woods, the parking lot, even the lines. You can see the line from the parking lot right there. Yeah, it's amazing. So you can see it for yourself. Look, how dark is that? And then, whoa, man, cool. This amazes me how the technology is now these days. How nice it is. Let's move. Let's see. We can drive with this. Whoa, I cannot see the line. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look. Dark. There's a car light over there. But look, it looks like it's a daylight in the camera. In here, nothing. Let me put it in reverse. There, so dark. You can see the grass, everything. Even the goal from the soccer goal. Soccer field. Let me turn on the light. Whoa, wow, this is amazing. Alright, so I think that's good enough for the test. You can see the quality is amazing. Of this camera is amazing. So look, there's a cat there. Wow. Yeah, I can see it. It's a cat there. Okay guys, that's the night vision camera by LANMODO. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. The camera records great at night. It looks super cool. Even better than when when I compare with the camera. The night vision camera even is better than this camera at night. All right. So, and even in the dark roads, it's good because you can see even if a deer is crossing the road. All right. So, but I think this camera, it'll be great for those like truck drivers, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers. For those people that drive at night very often, this camera is great. But anybody can buy this camera. You can get it if you want it. Okay, but the only thing is that doesn't record video. All right, that's the only thing. But other than that, it's great at night. All right, let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps a lot, so we can make more videos. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.